ABOTA today is comprised of the nation's leading men and women trial lawyers and judges who work to preserve and protect the civil justice system and the rights of the American people.
ABOTA is a national organization
of experienced and diverse trial lawyers,
all dedicated to one thing:
promoting and preserving
the right to a civil jury trial
provided by the 7th Amendment of the United States Constitution.
ABOTA works to uphold the jury system by educating the American public about the history and value of the right to trial by jury.
We promote the Constitution. We believe that the Constitution is a living body and that a part of the Constitution is that there be jury trials, that there should be independent judges.
Jurors are the consciences of our communities, and if we lose that right, we lose a fundamental idea in the United States and American legal system. We are the envy of the world.
ABOTA makes sure that lawyers practice civility, that they treat each other with fairness, that they conduct themselves in an ethical manner. And the organization nationally, one of its goals, to make sure that we as lawyers practice civility, that we treat each other with respect and with dignity, and that we respect the legal system.
One of ABOTA's missions is to support the independence of the judiciary.
Judges are extremely hampered in our personal ability to respond to things. We're governed by judicial codes of conduct. We have very strict constraints on what we can say, what we should be saying, because we're hearing cases and we cannot comment on things. And so to have an organization with the strength and respect of ABOTA come forward and respond, whether it's in an editorial or in some other way, to speak on behalf of that judge, that is a tremendous thing.
The judges also feel that it's a relevant and respected organization because it involves people from both sides, the plaintiff's bar and the defense bar.
The ABOTA Foundation continues to put on professional education programs to enhance the advocacy skills of trial lawyers throughout the United States.
ABOTA is unique because we have an agenda of being very active in the promotion of all the things that are important to the United States of America and to the legal profession. We conduct masters in trial programs around the country, and these are an opportunity for younger lawyers to come, even law students come, and watch a case being tried by some of our members who are very skilled and knowledgeable about how to present evidence, how to cross-examine, how to make effective opening statements and closing arguments.
The honor of being admitted to the ABOTA organization is huge. It represents a milestone in the life of a trial lawyer.
ABOTA provides opportunities for members to network and share experiences with lawyers and judges across the country.
ABOTA to trial lawyers means a group of trial lawyers that are coming together that believe strongly in the right to the jury system, the right to the way our civil justice works, who give their time freely to promoting the right to the jury trial.
It gives judges the opportunity to go and socialize and have a collegiality with people who appear in front of them because it's so equally balanced among plaintiffs and defendants. And a judge doesn't feel that they are taking a partisan look.
What ABOTA means to the judges is a guarantee that the lawyers that are presenting the trial before them will be well trained, will present their case in an efficient, compelling, and articulate manner, will not waste the court's time, and will be engaging and collegial toward their opponent all through the trial with a minimum of problems for the judge to take care of.
What does ABOTA mean to the public? It means that your children will enjoy the same democratic principles that the founders of our country fought to establish for you, that you will be able to go in before a group of your peers and obtain the best justice possible.
Members of ABOTA share one voice to preserve the constitutional vision of equal justice for all Americans and to preserve our civil justice system for future generations.